Lowering fleet maintenance costs with FleetRock. When time is short and budgets are tight, you need your vehicles on the road. Putting off maintenance, running your vehicles until they break, and not tracking expenses can cost you time, money, and future business. FleetRock gives you a live view into all of your maintenance needs, helping you optimize all of your service interactions. Whether using the FleetRock platform as a self-managed or shop operating system, or taking advantage of our managed maintenance program, you'll have unique visibility into your data through powerful analytics, helping you manage your business more efficiently, increasing utilization, compliance, and cost savings. At the foundation, FleetRock is an intuitive, simple-to-use, cloud-based dashboard that allows you to see all of your vehicles and assets at a glance. And with a few clicks, you can dive even deeper into that unit's information. Scheduled maintenance is an important part of the FleetRock platform and vital to your fleet. In the FleetRock dashboard, you'll see a list of scheduled repairs that can be set to reoccurring or non-reoccurring, a calendar view to see what you have coming up, and you can even click on a scheduled repair to find out more information on what work is to be performed. You'll receive email alerts as each due date approaches, as well as an alert if a date is missed. FleetRock's Repair Orders tab allows your in-house mechanics to create a repair order with just a few clicks. They can monitor the status, track part inventory, and keep all associated costs and repair history with the unit organized and in one place. If you send your vehicles out for repair, let FleetRock help with our managed maintenance program. Our team of ASE repair specialists and coordinators manage all aspects of the repair process, leveraging the power of FleetRock's platform to drive efficiency. Using our vast network of third-party vendors, customers utilizing FleetRock dramatically improve fleet operations and spend less money. The Analytics tab makes it easy to analyze data in real time, create notifications, customize KPIs, and pin them to your FleetRock dashboard as needed. These dynamic analytics and report capabilities drive actionable insights and lifecycle optimizations. FleetRock's complete functionality lets you effortlessly track, analyze, and improve your business operations. Go to fleetrock.com to sign up for your free trial and learn more about how FleetRock can help lower maintenance costs and keep your vehicles on the road.